One Ascension, a high concurrency move based RPG on one chain. Current laws. Fragmented ownership. Game assets are stored in centralized silos. Your sword isn't actually yours. Latency induced failures. On EVM chain, a surge in players lead to gas wars, making game unplayable for everyone. Let's see what are the problems we have. The scalability paradox. Current blockchain can handle high value but not high velocity. Identity gap. Players are just hex strings. There is no persistent identity. Static assets. NFTs are usually just pictures. They lack nested logic. But what if we could solve this? Imagine a game where 10,000 players ride a boss simultaneously with 0.5s latency. Imagine a system that handles XP, stats, and loot drops entirely on-chain. Imagine your character reputation, 1ID, unlocking actual financial utility in DeFi using 1DEX. So this is our solution. One Ascension. Using Move to treat every hunter, shadow, and item as a first-class object. Utilizing one wallet session key to keep the player in the game, not the wallet. A full vertical integration of one chain's native tools, 1ID, 1DEX, 1Play. Let's see the sequence diagram. The user enters the ride and requests the session key. That key is approved by the one wallet. The user does the phantom strike and it reduces the HP. After the boss is defeated, we call extract shadow. This mints the user with shadow and weapon NFT. This is the architecture diagram. The user uses one wallet and does the RPC request to the one chain network. It has three contracts: hunter, raid, market. Hunter object owns weapon NFT and it wraps shadow fragments. The boss is a shared object and we have a marketplace to sell our artifacts. Why One Ascension? It does parallel execution and it has real object model and it provides invisible UX and provide global one ID and it is on-chain verified. These are the demo link and GitHub URL. Let's start with our demo. First off, we connect our wallet. Next, we mint the character. Next, we enter the dungeon and do a phantom strike. The boss is defeated and we extracted its shadow and weapon. This is the Hunter Guild where you can see fellow players and we have shadow market for selling the artifacts. This is the contract activity. Thank you.